Question 9. A boat moves 24 kilometers to the east and the water current was 3 kilometers per hour. Okay, so we have a boat moving to the east. The distance is 24 kilometers. And the water current is 3 kilometers per hour. Okay, so let's assume the water current is always acting this way. And this is 3 km per h. Right. The to and fro journey took 6 hours. Okay, so now the boat is also coming back. So there's another journey here of the boat coming back. So this distance would also be 24 km. And the water current would still remain this way, 3 kilometers per hour. So when the boat is going from here to here, the boat has to oppose the velocity, the water current. So your total velocity of the boat would be the velocity v minus 3. Here when it's going this way, the boat is going this way at a velocity v plus 3 because the water current is helping the boat move to the left. So we can say the velocity here is v minus 3 and the velocity here would be v plus 3. Okay, the current now, right? Then the total time taken is t. So what we is 6 hours, sorry. They already gave us 6 hours. So let's find the equation for t first. So velocity is distance over time. This is the general formula, or speed is distance over time. Therefore, time is distance over velocity. Okay, so using this, I just erase this first. So using this, we can define time here. So time would be distance over velocity, therefore 24 over v minus 3. This is the time for the top journey, the boat moving from left to right. Okay, and then the time here would be distance over velocity as well. So distance is 24, time is v plus 3. Okay, then we know the total time taken is 6 hours. So the time for the top journey plus the return journey would be 26 hours. So we can say 24 over 4 minus 3 plus 24 over 4 v plus 3 equals to 6. Okay, now we have to solve this lah. This is the whole question, solving v. Okay, so to solve this, we must make our denominator same. So this equation times v plus 3 and this equation times v minus 3. So here we expand 24v plus 24 times 3 and this side we expand plus 24v minus 72 divide by v plus 3 v minus 3 equals to 6. Right, so the top one, 72 minus 72 goes missing. 24 plus 24 would be 48v, and then this denominator we bring over that side, so it becomes 6v plus 3 v minus 3. Then we expand, so 6v plus 18 times v minus 3. 6v times v is 6v square. 6v, this is negative 18v plus 18v, 18 times 3, 54 equals 48v. Negative 18, positive 18 cancels off, and then we bring this side. So So we'll get 6v square minus 48v minus 54 equals 0. Right. So now we have to solve this by factorizing. Okay. So first, this whole equation can be divided by 6. So we simplify first lah. So we'll get v square 48 divided 6 minus 8v 54 divided 6 minus 9 equals to 0. Okay. We factorize. A is 1, B is negative 8, C is negative 9. So V is negative 1 and V is 9. So V plus 1, V minus 9. So here our velocity can either be negative 1 or 9. But since velocity we assume it should be positive because we are not changing the direction, V is 9. The water, logically the water current is 3 km per h. If the velocity is negative 1, no way it would reach the other side. It has to be bigger than the current, then only it can oppose the current. Therefore this one we reject. So answer would be 9 kilometers per hour. That's it. Quite a tricky question, but you just derive it into 2 different scenarios. Okay, so going journey is 1 and then the return journey is 1 more. So from west to east, you find the distance, velocity and time. Same thing for the return journey. So once we do this, and then we know this time plus this time, total time 6 hours. That's it lah. Done.